I just discovered that Google quietly updated 5 AI tools that can replace your entire business team, and I'm about to show you exactly how to use them to build a profitable digital product store from scratch. What you're about to see is how regular people with zero technical background are using these free tools to create professional websites, marketing campaigns, and automated sales systems that run 24/7. Hit that subscribe button for Padded Vibes channel right now because we expose cutting-edge AI business strategies every single week. Drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. Let's dive straight in. Here's what nobody tells you about building a digital product business. You don't need a development team. You don't need a graphic designer. You don't even need a marketing agency. Google just handed you all of those capabilities for free through 5 AI tools that work together like a complete business operating system. I'm going to show you each tool in order of importance, starting with the one that generates revenue first. Most people make the mistake of spending weeks planning and designing before they have anything that actually makes money. We're flipping that approach completely. Tool number 1 is Google AI Studio. This builds functional web applications that attract visitors and convert them into customers. Here's why this matters. Every successful digital product site needs free tools that bring in traffic from Google. Calculators, generators, planners, and analyzers. These tools rank in search engines because people actively search for them every single day. When someone finds your free calculator, they discover your paid products. Let me show you how to build one in under 5 minutes. Go to aistudio.google.com and click Try Google AI Studio. You'll land on a simple interface. This is where you give instructions and AI Studio builds the complete working tool. But here's the secret to getting perfect results. You need a precise prompt that describes exactly what you want. I'm using a custom prompt builder that asks you 6 simple questions, then generates the perfect instructions for AI Studio. The questions are basic. What type of calculator do you want? Who is it for? What problem does it solve? What should users input? What results should they see? What colors should it use? Answer those questions. Copy the generated prompt. Paste it into AI Studio. Click Build. Within 2 to 3 minutes, you have a fully functional web application with charts, calculations, and professional design. I just built a stock portfolio tax calculator. Users enter their investment amounts, holding periods, and gains. The tool instantly shows tax estimates with visual breakdowns. This tool is now ready to embed on a website. It will rank in Google when people search for stock tax calculator. Those visitors will see my paid stock spreadsheets and courses. That's instant traffic leading directly to revenue. And I built it without writing code or hiring anyone. Now your site needs visual content that converts visitors into buyers. That's where tool number 2 comes in. Pamelli. This is Google's automated marketing content creator, and it just got a major update that makes it insanely powerful. Go to pamelli.google.com and click Get Started. Enter your website URL. Pamelli scans your entire site. It pulls your branding, colors, products, and messaging. Then it generates a complete business DNA profile. This profile becomes the foundation for all your marketing materials. Pamelli now knows your brand identity and creates content that matches it perfectly. Click on Campaigns. Pamelli automatically generates dozens of social media posts, ad creatives, and promotional graphics tailored to your business. But here's the game-changing feature. Click Animate on any static image. Pamelli turns still images into moving videos. A person sitting at a laptop starts typing. A tablet screen shows scrolling content. Coffee steam rises from a cup. These subtle movements transform boring static ads into engaging video content that stops the scroll on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I just animated 3 images from my stock spreadsheet business. One shows someone analyzing charts on a laptop with animated data. Another shows a tablet with live portfolio updates. These videos are completely unique. Nobody else has this exact content. It's custom generated based on my specific business. Download these animated videos. Post them as Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. Use them in paid ads. Your engagement rates will skyrocket compared to static images. Now you've got functional tools bringing traffic and animated content for social media. But your ads need high-quality professional visuals. That's where tool number 3 dominates. Nano Banana. This is Google's image generator, and the latest update makes it the best option for creating ad creatives that actually convert. Go to labs.google/flow and click Create with Flow. You're now inside Nano Banana Pro. Here's the strategy that's working right now. Find successful ads in your niche using Facebook Ad Library. Screenshot those winning ads. Upload the screenshot to Nano Banana along with an image of your actual product. Tell Nano Banana to recreate the ad style but featuring your product. I found a competitor running successful spreadsheet ads. I uploaded their ad and my spreadsheet image. Nano Banana generated a brand new ad in the same winning style but showcasing my product. The result looks professionally designed. High resolution, clean layout, attention-grabbing, downloaded in 4K quality. Now you have an ad creative modeled after proven winners but completely original and tailored to your business. Run this in Facebook ads or Instagram ads. You're using a format that's already proven to convert but with your unique product. At this point, you've built traffic-generating tools, created animated social content, and designed professional ad creatives. All for free. All without hiring anyone. But now you need an organized system to manage your marketing strategy. That's where tool number 4 transforms everything. Google Gemini with the new Gems feature. This creates custom AI assistants dedicated to specific tasks in your business. Go to gemini.google.com. On the left side, click Gems. This is a new feature that most people don't know exists yet. Click Create New Gem. Give it a name like Email Marketing Assistant or Content Calendar Manager. Write a simple instruction describing its job. For example, you are my email marketing assistant. Your job is to create weekly email campaigns for my digital product business. Now here's the powerful part. Connect your NotebookLM notes to this gem as its knowledge base. Click Add Files. Select NotebookLM. Choose the business plan you created earlier. Now your gem has complete context about your business, products, target audience, and goals. Ask your gem to create a 30-day email content calendar with pre-written emails for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Click Tools, then Canvas. Gemini generates an interactive calendar with every email fully written, including subject lines, body copy, and calls to action. This is professional email marketing that normally costs $2,000 per month from an agency. You just got it free in 3 minutes. Save this gem. Return to it anytime you need new marketing content. It remembers everything about your business and produces consistent on-brand materials. Create multiple gems for different tasks. One for email marketing, one for blog content, one for social media captions, one for product descriptions. You now have an entire marketing team available 24/7 inside free AI tools. Everything you've built so far is tactical execution. Tools, content, ads, and emails. But you still need an overarching strategy that ties it all together. That's where tool number 5 becomes your unfair advantage. NotebookLM. This creates your complete business blueprint from product creation to traffic generation to monetization strategy. Go to notebooklm.google. Click Try NotebookLM. You'll see an option to add source material. Instead of uploading files, click Copy Text. This is where you paste a detailed prompt describing your business idea. Use the custom prompt builder I mentioned earlier. It asks 7 questions about your digital product business, then generates a comprehensive prompt. Questions like, what product are you creating? What's your skill level? Which niche? How will you sell it? What's your marketing strategy? Copy the generated prompt. Paste it into NotebookLM. Click Insert. NotebookLM now becomes your personal business consultant with complete knowledge of your specific situation. Type Next. It walks you through every step. Naming your business, creating your product, building your website, setting up payment processing, driving traffic. Each step includes specific prompts for other AI tools, direct links to resources, and actionable checklists. But the most insane feature is on the right side. Video overview. Click this. NotebookLM generates a complete video course explaining your entire business strategy. It sounds like a professional consultant narrating a custom masterclass. The video covers market research, competitor analysis, pricing strategy, and growth tactics, all specific to your business based on the information you provided. You can also generate study guides, mind maps, and audio overviews. It's like having a business coach creating personalized training materials for you. As you build your business, return to NotebookLM with questions. It remembers your entire context and gives specific advice. Stuck on pricing? Ask it. Confused about which traffic source to focus on? Ask it. Need blog post ideas? Ask it. Now let me show you how all 5 tools work together as one complete system. Step 1. Use NotebookLM to create your business blueprint and strategy. Step 2. Use Google AI Studio to build free tools that rank in Google and attract visitors. Step 3. Use Pamelli to generate all your social media content and animated videos automatically. Step 4. Use Nano Banana to create high-quality ad creatives modeled after proven winners. Step 5. Use Google Gemini Gems to manage your ongoing marketing with email campaigns, blog content, and social posts. This is a complete business operating system. Product creation, traffic generation, content marketing, paid advertising, email nurturing, everything you'd normally pay $5,000 to $10,000 per month for in agency fees and software subscriptions. All free. The people building successful digital product businesses in 2026 aren't the ones with the biggest budgets or the most technical skills. They're the ones who understand how to connect these AI tools into automated systems that work while they sleep. Everything I showed you is accessible today. No waiting lists. No credit card required. Just free Google tools waiting for you to use them. If this video just gave you $1 million business blueprint, smash that like button and subscribe to Padded Vibes channel. Let me know in the comments which tool you're going to use first. I'll see you in the next one.